Hey everyone, today we're diving into a classic Italian dish that's all about simplicity and flavor, risotto alla Milanese. This risotto is known for its beautiful golden color and creamy texture. It's a true testament to how a few quality ingredients can come together to create something truly special. We'll break it down step by step so you can recreate this dish in your own kitchen. Get ready for a taste of Italy. The star of our show today is Arborio rice. It's a short grain rice from Italy that's perfect for risotto because of its high starch content. This starch is what gives risotto that wonderfully creamy texture we all love. We'll be using some good quality Parmesan cheese to add a salty, nutty flavor to our risotto. And of course, no risotto alla Milanese would be complete without saffron, the spice that gives this dish its signature golden hue. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking! The first step is to prepare our saffron infusion. In a small bowl, pour some hot broth over a pinch of saffron threads and let it steep. This will help the saffron release its color and aroma, turning the broth a vibrant golden yellow. While the saffron is steeping, we'll start cooking our risotto. Heat some butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add some finely chopped onion and cook until softened and translucent. Now it's time to add our arborio rice. Stir the rice well to coat it in the butter and onion mixture. We want to toast the rice for a minute or two. This helps to bring out its nutty flavor and will prevent it from becoming mushy later on. Now, let's deglaze the pot with some white wine. Pour in the wine and let it simmer for a minute, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the pot. These little bits are packed with flavor. Now comes the key to making a creamy risotto, adding the broth gradually. Remember that saffron-infused broth we made earlier? It's time to put it to good use. Ladle in a cup of the hot saffron broth into the rice and stir continuously. Keep stirring until the broth is almost fully absorbed before adding another ladleful. This slow and steady addition of broth allows the rice to release its starches gradually, resulting in that wonderfully creamy texture that risotto is known for. Continue adding broth, one ladleful at a time, and stirring until the rice is cooked through but still has a slight bite to it. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to taste the risotto as you go and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. We're almost there. Now, for the finishing touches, stir in a knob of butter and a generous handful of grated Parmesan cheese. This adds a wonderful richness and depth of flavor to our risotto. Did you know that saffron was first introduced to Milan during the Renaissance? Legend has it that a stained glass artisan looking to create a vibrant yellow for the Duomo added saffron to his mixture. Inspired by its color and luxurious reputation, chefs began incorporating saffron into their dishes, eventually creating the iconic risotto alla Milanese we know and love today. And there you have it, a taste of history and a truly magnificent dish. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more classic recipes and remember to enjoy the process.